In this video, we'll work a homework problem which gives us a set of data as shown here. I've already copied and pasted it. And we're asked to take this given data value from a set of sample values and turn it into a z-score. And in the problem, it did say that this was a sample, so I know that I am calculating sample statistics so that I can use my z-score formula. So I need to first calculate the mean using the average function, and then the standard deviation dot s for sample. And now I'm ready to convert my x value to a z-score. So remember what we do is we take the x value, we subtract the mean to see how far away it is. Then we divide that by the standard deviation to see how many standard deviations fit into that distance. Right? And then the directions said to round it to 3 decimal places. And there you have it. That is these. You would enter all of these with the exception of the 40.6, which was given.